What's up, YouTube? For today's Yonkes episode, we have this 2004 Ford Lightning. Show you guys the exterior real quick. This truck was originally Sonic Blue and it was just repainted. Look at the fitment with those tires. So we're gonna start up here in the front. As you can see, it has a 3-inch cowl hood. New headlights. Got a little detail in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a SVT and the Lightning emblem right there. And it has some Harley Davidson chrome grills with the custom emblem. New headlights and fog lights as well. Sitting on some weld wheels. So the front are 20/9. Tire size is 275/40. And back here, it's on a 15/10. Weld wheel as well. Custom B-lock by OMF. The ring got that little detail also on the inside. And tire size is a 295/65 Mickey tire. While I'm back here, I'm gonna show you guys the diff. Got a aftermarket diff cover, and it got some traction bars. Beltec shock. This truck has the flip kit and shackles. New aftermarket tail lights. And it has a Cervini spoiler. Also has a bed cover from Low Pro. I'm gonna show you guys the interior real quick. Really clean interior. It has the 3 gauges right here on the pillar. Air, fuel, oil, and the boost. And it has the tuner right there. So what it looks like from the driver's seat. Also has a aftermarket carbon fiber steering wheel. And it has this piece right here. It's also carbon fiber. Kenwood doubled in. So it's just nice and simple in here. Now I'm gonna show you guys the engine bay. So here under the hood, it has the stock blower. It's just been poured and polished. It has the ice box here on the left side. Yellow top Optima battery. Breather right there. And they got the Gates green belt. Also the power steering reservoir has been replaced with that one right there, with the aluminum reservoir. Aftermarket idler pulley, Medco. It also has a aftermarket coolant reservoir here next to the cold air intake filter, K&N filter. So I'm gonna have him turn it on so you guys could hear what it sounds like. That's it for this video. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here in the corner so you guys can follow the build, and make sure to check us out at YONKES_OXC films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.